Hi there, Glenn here from Final Draft Mapping, and in this video I'm going to show you how with 4 lines of code we can grab someone else's Survey123 endeavours, download it and see what makes it tick. So let's take a look. The goal here is to find a nice form where we're inquisitive as to how that form was made, and we really want to take a look at that XLSForm that they used in Survey123 Connect. In my organisation I have just searched for form. I've come across this GIS data request form from the Montgomery County. And if I open that in browser, so this brings me to the Montgomery County IT GIS data request form. There's some information there. I'm going to click next. I'll ask for some contact information, which are required fields. I'll fill those in quite quick. And I'll click next. Now we're asked to draw an area of interest, some nice functionality. Polygon, data set description. What is your data format preference? I put in vector. I'll just click some of these options. They are required, intended use. I'll click next. Next, we'll give a signature and complete a CAPTCHA and submit, which I won't do. But there's some nice functionality there in that form, and I want to know how they created that. And I can achieve that with the ArcGIS API for Python. All I need is the item ID. And you can grab that from the URL. Now here's a salary survey on my own website that is embedded, which if I use inspect, I can grab the item ID from the developer's console. So I'm going to grab this item ID from the Montgomery County URL. I'm going to open up a Python script. And here are the 4 lines of code. 1, 2, 3. And this could be on one line. I've just spread it across 3 to make it more readable. So up top we're importing our GIS class, which allows us to access our organization's GIS. We're then accessing ArcGIS Online through that GIS class. We're using the content manager get method and supplying in the form item ID. The get method will return an item object, which is assigned to a variable called form item. We then use the item object download method and just supply a save path to a folder. And I will paste in a path where I want that to go to. I'm going to run this script and I'm going to open up that folder and we should see a zip file downloaded. And we can see we have this zipped file. I'm going to right click and I'm going to extract all and place it in my folder. And we see we have this Esri info. I'll click in there. We have the media, if any were used. We have heart, star, thumb. And we also have our form. I'll open up that form. And we can see the XLSForm behind the Survey123 form. And you can go through this and see how that form is driving the Survey123 form that you see in the browser. I've closed down that Excel spreadsheet and I'm going to go up a level in my folders. I'm going to copy this Esri info folder. I'm going to navigate to my C drive, users, into my username, ArcGIS, and into my design surveys. I'm going to paste in that folder. Now you can rename this folder whatever you want. I'll call it grabbed survey. I can spell survey. And now I'm going to open Survey123 Connect. Here I'm in ArcGIS Survey123 Connect and I cannot see that survey. Even if I refresh, it's not there. Now I'm not an expert in Survey123 or the backend config files, but I did have a little dig around and I'm going to go and delete some configurations that contain item IDs and such from the Montgomery County data. So I'll go into my grab survey folder. I'm going to open up this form.iteminfo. I can see here it has the ID, the owner, and the org ID. I'm going to delete these and I'll save that file. Then I'm going to go back to Survey123 Connect, refresh, and lo and behold, there we have our survey from Montgomery County in our own Survey123 Connect. I can open that survey. It's quite nice. And I can even publish that survey to my own ArcGIS Online. So there you have it, folks. We successfully found a Survey123 that we didn't create, and we downloaded it from ArcGIS Online and added it to our own Survey123 Connect, where we can interrogate it and see how the user created all that nice functionality in their survey. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Below this video, there is a link to the code used. It's only 4 lines of code, and there's other links there for courses and such. Go check them out, and feel free to like and leave a comment.